Hello, everybody. I am Manuel and I am from Colombia. Well, I was born and raised in Venezuela, but right now I am living in Colombia as a Colombian because I am Colombian as well. So I decided to start a series of video to record my English journey because, as many of you will know, in Venezuela or Colombia, English is not spoken. So my native language is Spanish. Um, I want to try this platform to record my progress. Well, in a sense, it was a suggestion for someone in another channel. He suggested that it would be a good idea to record our progress so we can create a sense of responsibility. Because maybe if I know that someone else is watching at my videos or listening to my videos, I will be more motivated. I will feel more motivated to get improving, to try to improve my actual level and be more conscious of my progress. So that's it. I am trying to use YouTube in this with this series of videos to practice my English because I will need it in order to achieve my dreams and goals. What else? Well, I am an electrical engineer, but I am working right now as a data scientist. I already have 3 years of experience working in the field. So probably the content that you will see in the following videos will be about data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, maybe Python, those kind of things. Um, what else? But I won't make too elaborate videos because I don't want to spend many time preparing this kind of content because, as I told you, I want to use this channel just to record my English progress. But of course, I need a topic to talk about because um, anyway, otherwise you won't find this channel interesting, and you won't give me feedback about my English or the content that I am producing. Maybe I will use another channel or another series of videos to show more content, more elaborated content about Python, data science, machine learning or artificial intelligence. So I want to provide some tips. I want to give you some tips about how I reach this level. I don't know exactly what level is. I think that I can communicate my ideas and understand most of the things that people try to say me. But I'm not sure about my actual level. Maybe intermediate, something like that. So to reach this point, I have spent the last 2 years um, practicing something called shadowing. I have been using the shadowing technique to reach this English level. Um, Shadowing is about imitation. Basically, what you do when you are trying to learn by using the shadowing technique is to listen a native speaker and repeat the thing that you heard. That's all. You try to imitate the intonation, the pronunciation. In that way, you can train the muscles of your mouth to produce the English sound because that's one of the most challenging things. I mean, to learn to when learning a language, reproduce or imitate the correct sounds, especially English. Well, I have been studying just English, so I have no idea about other languages. But that's all. With shadowing, I reached this level. I repeat you. I don't know if this is good or bad. I just know that I am able to communicate with people because I already have like 1 year taking classes from platforms like italki, um, like Preply. So it seems that people can understand what I'm trying to say. So my point is that even without any formal class, people are able to reach a good level of English. Well, I am already saying that this is good, but let's say a practical level, so you can use maybe a practical this level of English to visit a country as a tourist, or maybe do simple things. Now, my idea is to get out of the intermediate zone. I think that I am intermediate. um, Try to reach the fluency and confidence that I have in Spanish. Uh, so, in order to do that, I decided to start using this platform. I mean, YouTube. So, well, I think that's all I have to say for now. I will share with you a referral link if you want to try Preply. You can find good tutors there. But well, I hope you can give me feedback about my English. I'll be mm, willing to make the corrections or maybe suggestions that you have about my English skills. And of course, in the following videos, I will share more content about data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and maybe tips that I am using or I am already implementing to put in practice my English. For example, let's start with one tip, and maybe the next video I will elaborate more about that. I noticed that by practicing uh, English, imitating people using the shadowing technique, I was training my mouth to reproduce or to imitate the sounds. I was learning maybe new vocabulary, but at the end, I just was reading, right? I was reading because most of the time I was using an audiobook, so I was reading out loud, in essence, trying to imitate the sound of the native speaker and the intonation. So I learned a lot by using that technique. Um, but when we are speaking, that's really different from just reading, because you have to retrieve the words from your own ideas, right, from your mind. So you don't have text to read, right? Um, So what I decided to try is to memorize maybe using an audiobook. I I choose a page and try to memorize all the content of one single page, and try to say the same thing, um, and recording this um, this page, recording myself, comparing with the native person that is talking in the audiobook. So in that way, I am hoping, I am expecting improve my ability. Sorry, I am expecting to improve my ability to retrieve words from my mind, or retrieve ideas from my mind. Get used to talk without seeing a text, because as I told you, I have been using the shadowing technique, basically reading out loud using audiobooks. But that's really different from actual speaking. So I decided to try out this new thing, try to retrieve the ideas from my mind, and get used to this state of talking without reading something, because that is what we are gonna do um, when we are speaking, right? We are just talking, expressing our ideas, our opinions, without reading something in particular, right? So, well, that's all. Maybe the next video I will elaborate more about this technique. I think that, yes, I think that I developed this idea. I don't know if I read this technique from maybe somewhere from another website, but I think that it's a good idea to train your ability to retrieve data or information from your mind instead of just read a text or a script. So that's all. I know that this English is really bad, but the idea is that maybe in the future, maybe in some months, I can watch this video, and maybe notice some progress, and well, to keep motivated, keep improving. So that's all. So have a great day, night, or depending on your time. And see you soon. Bye bye.